Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the multi-process issue on Google Chrome. Chrome uses multiple processes to improve speed and stability, but this can sometimes cause high CPU or memory usage. First, open Chrome Task Manager by pressing Shift and Escape on your keyboard. Here, you will see all active tabs along with their memory footprints. Check which tabs or extensions are using the most resources and close unused tabs or disable unnecessary extensions. To remove extensions, click the puzzle icon in the top right corner and select the three dots. Click Remove from Chrome and the extension will be removed. You can also reset Chrome by opening Settings, then going to Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings and Chrome will be reset to its default configuration. Also, make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version by going to About Chrome. As you can see, my Chrome is already up to date. That's it. We've learned how Chrome handles multiple processes and how to manage or reduce resource usage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.